How to spot trade on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can spot trade on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually spot trade on Binance, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is actually open up the Binance application and you will see this type of interface. Now by default you just need to come to the trades tab over here. As you come to the trades tab, they will show you how you can actually get this done first of all. So you can start trading here, you can open and view orders and assets. Here you can tap on next, and here you can switch to client. Here you can view more tutorials if you want to. So right here you can see complete your first copy, and here you will be able to see spot trading, right? So go to spot, and here you'll be able to buy, sell. You'll be able to see the price amount. You can see the total USDT. Here you can tap on this little icon to view and learn more of these tutorials and so on. And this is how you can actually spot trade on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.